This video tutorial I will explain AWS S3 website hosting. What is an AWS S3 website? AWS S3 website refers to the static website which is hosted on Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is typically used to store files, but it can also serve files directly to the users, which makes it great for hosting simple static websites. What is a static website? A static website is a type of website that does not need server to process the information. It only contains files like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There is no backend like databases or processing code are needed, and it is simpler and cheaper to host. Now we will see how to host a website on AWS S3. Here you can see AWS Management Console, and here you can see Create Bucket option. Click on Create Bucket, provide the bucket name. Here you can see bucket has been created. Here you can see the static website pages, index.html, error.html, and style.css. Here you can see index.html content. Here you can see error.html content, and this is style.css file. Now I am going to upload static website files to this bucket. Uploaded successfully. Next, click on Properties. Here you can see static website hosting. Currently it is disabled. Click on Edit. Click on Enable. Here you have to provide index document name, index.html. Here you have to provide error document name, error.html. Click on Save Changes. Click on Permissions. Here you can see Block Public Access. Click on Edit and uncheck this. Changes are saved. Now the bucket is public, so visitors can access your website. Click on Properties. And here you can see bucket website endpoint. And here we got 403 forbidden error. So we have to do one more step to access this website. Click on Permissions. Here you can see bucket policy. Click on Edit. You have to add this policy. You have to allow get object action. Here you have to specify the bucket name. Changes are saved. Now you can see the index.html is appearing, and you can access your website. Now we will see benefits of using AWS S3 for websites. First point is cost effective. S3 is very affordable, especially for small websites. Next point is scalable. Your websites can handle a large number of visitors without additional setup. Next point is fast. S3 integrates with services like CloudFront for faster delivery. Next point is easy setup. Hosting a static site on S3 is simple and it requires minimal maintenance. Key points to remember. AWS S3 websites cannot run server-side code like PHP or Python. You can configure a custom domain using AWS Route 53 or other domain registrars. You can use HTTPS for security by integrating with CloudFront and SSL certificates. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.